Hi, this is video number 5, and now we're talking about formatting data in Excel worksheet. Now we go to the same that we did on monthly budget. Now we want to make this as good as we can to present it to someone. The first thing is to change the color and the font size. So as a monthly budget, we will make it larger and the font, and we want to paint it with blue, dark blue, as a title. And we have three rows here. We want to take them out, so I'll press Control and minus to take them out. Now we want to make the headings a little wider to be more noticed, and we want to paint them. Also blue. So press Control and just select them and do the same. Make it 16, or I'll just bring it back to the same size. Okay. Now let's highlight the totals, Control and select those two. I will make them dark gray. I don't know why it did select that. We'll get to it later. We'll get to this cell later. It's fine, we'll get back to it later. I don't want to do it now because that will break the steps that I want to go with. So, and I want to make those highlighted in less dark gray. Okay. And we want to make borders between them. Here we want to make an upper border for the totals. The borders are here. You can see all kinds of borders you can make. You can look for more borders here, but I just want to choose from the list. So this is a thick top line border. You can change the line like that. No, this one. You can do it this way. And press escape to get out. Or you can just select the cells and make it top border and change the line style. I'll just keep it bold now. Press escape and select. I'll select them and make it a thick line and top border. Okay, I want to make another line as a side border now for these cells, a left side border. You can see there's a left border, right border, and thick bottom border. We'll do it on the top. So I'll just choose the left one, and I already have the line style, the thick one. So now I will press escape. Now I will use the button double border. Now we want to make a button one here, and we already have the line set. Okay, we missed one here, so I'll just click on the border line. I will just click on this cell and make a top border. Okay. This cell, top border, we're done now. Let's make a right border for this. Now we want to change the formatting for numbers and the values. So these are dollar amounts. These are dollar amounts and not the count. The count are not dollar amounts. That's a count of how many bills. So we can choose this. We'll make it all dollar amounts. And if we see this, you already had an idea about how to fit it with just double click, and it's done. This looks like a mess, like reading a book with 10 pages of the same line. So your eyes will be tired from looking at the same currency in all the lines, all the cells. So I will just undo that and select this, the top, and select this, the top too. Or I would just select the totals, because if the totals mean it's a dollar amount, that means everything else is a dollar amount too. If we then select that, okay, now it's not fitting. We go to the cell, we double click, see, and now it's fitting. That means all those are a dollar amount. So let's make those two. Or undo, Control and Z. Those are dollar amounts. So just to have an idea, that means this is the dollar amount. It doesn't have to be a US dollar amount. If you click on the arrow, you'll see English currency. This is euro. This is the Chinese currency, and you can add more. I just go with the US dollar because that's what we use here. And now we have a percentage. We want to make it look better here. To change it to 100% have been changed now, and you can add the decimals, which is percentage with 2 decimals. Here looks more accurate and nice. Now we want to make this format. There's another easy way to make this format, which is, let's change it to now to this. Make it this font, and let's make this larger. Okay. Now, if you send this to someone, or someone send this kind of document to you, and you don't like the format for it, you can do it in one click, which is go to the cell, delete. There's delete format cells. There's here it's okay, clear the formats in one click. Just select them, clear formats. Okay, the format is gone. If you want, I just use the Control and Z to undo. Make it here to clear the format. If you want to use another copy and paste for the formats, you can clear the formats from here. Clear formats from this. It takes the format of the date. We will get back to it again. You click on the format of the cell. Now this is Format Painter. It copied only the format. Now you see the brush next to the plus sign. You can copy it here. Or you can select them and copy it. Now we want to go back to the dates. Here in Home, you go back to the text and how to edit it. How to change the dates. You go to General, More Number Formats, and Custom, and you look for the one we made before. 3 months, 3 for the month, and for the year. Just add 2 Y's. Now it's back. And there is another way for the formatting, which is how to make a format from what you want, from just I would say you already have formats ready in Excel. You can do that, and you can do conditional formatting. So for now, we will do the format that we want to do, which is, I will save it as a general. I will just call it practice formatting. Now, to make a format, is here. You already selected those. You can do uh, yes, you can call it practice format. Protection lock, that's how you make it locked that other users cannot modify it. Now you go back to the format. The font is exactly like the home button. Make it 14. I'll make it 16. Bold and borders this line, and here you can see the borders. I want a bottom border. The fill is dark blue. The border is this thick line, and the color is black, which is the automatic. The inside none. I need to use the downline formatting, and this is it. The alignment, nothing wrong with the alignment. Hit OK now. Hit OK. Here we go, the format. Now, here you just do the practice format. Now, the monthly budget, you don't want that line because it's not contained in the schedule. It's not contained like it's not one of the things that we have put in the monthly budget, so it should be a title. Right click on the one you modified, modify it again, go back to the format, go back to the font, or just the border, take out the borders, none, and the alignment. We'll do that from somewhere else, and I will make it dark blue. I will make it, no, I'll just keep it like that. Okay, and okay, this one. We still can modify it from over here. I'll make it 24. See, it came out of the format. So just do the format painter and here. Now, this is what I want to take and make it in center line. This is how the title should be. So merge and center, merge across, merge cells, merge and center. Now you select the cells for like the normal width. You select the normal width for the table we made and press merge and center. And to make it look better, make it larger. Now we go back to the formats for the dates. We'll go back to number formatting to the custom, and we change it to the date. The 3M's, 4Y's. We just add 2 more. And okay, everything came back to the normal. Now, if you don't like that, I really don't like that. It's the same color for both. So that makes my eyes tired. So I want to change that. I go back to the practice and modify and format and the fill, change it to the green. Okay. It took the whole format and changed it to the green color. So in this case, you take this format, I will try it with you again. I'm still changing the color. So now what we do is we make another format like that. So the monthly budget is style 1 and this one is the practice. I want to change this to the practice. To change this to style 1 and change this to the practice. It's all messed up now. We'll do Control and Z. We'll go back to the same one we did. Okay, now we're fine. We can delete this. Just go back here. Make it green. You're done. Or make it blue, shiny blue. And this, the headers, make it green. See, it looks better now, right? Now we did the margin center for the title, and now we have conditional formatting. Have you seen when you look in dollar amounts, like or not necessarily dollar amounts, like the dates? This is past due, and this is something else. You usually highlight it with a marker. It's very manual thing. Uh, the Microsoft Excel will make it for you, which is nice. I would say here, I'll take the dollar amounts and conditional formatting. Highlight cell rules greater than. I would say greater than 100. With uh, highlight cells that are greater than 100 with a light red filled with dark red text. This is what you get. If you change this number to 500, you'll see the thousands only. Change it to 200, you'll see those. That's okay. And you can modify that again from, we chose 200, modify it to another color, like red border. You can make it a green fill, like those. It will fit better because we have the header as green. And now it looks a lot better than what we had in the last video, in video 4. So I hope you learned something now from this video. And this is video number 5. I'll see you in video number 6, and please subscribe for the channel, and see you on next video. Thank you for watching, thank you for your time.